What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video, and I will show you how to get a 100% saved game in GTA 5. So I will show you if I go to my stats and then to 100% checklist. As you can see, I have completed every mission with 100% and of course gold medals. So what you need to do is follow the following steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. So what we will do is go to this link. I have added it in the description. You can click on download. After that you will need a RAR file opener, so you need to unzip the file. Most of the Windows computers have already a program like that to unzip RAR files, but sometimes it's not in the computer, so download one and then you can unzip the files. I will show you guys also how it looks like. We got those two files over here in this zip folder, and then we can copy them right into the profile from GTA 5. So where you can find that file from your profile is basically go to Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, Profiles, and this one. This is your profile. Just copy the new files which you have unzipped in this folder towards the GTA 5 profile, and yes, replace those two files because those are the same files but with a fully saved profile. Replace the files in destination, and after that we can close everything up and then we can start up GTA 5. Let's check it out. So once you are loaded into the game, after completing transferring those files into your profile, then you will see you will enter up over here. Now what we need to do is basically go to our menu, press escape, and now go to game. After that click on load new game and press enter. Now you are loading into the fully saved game, and then you will see we have completed every mission 100%.